Can you recover deleted voice memos on the iPhone? Let me explain it in this video. If it's your first time here on Foxtecc, subscribe to this channel so you never miss anything important. Well, the short answer is yes, you can recover them, but it depends on few different things. For example, if you just went to the voice memos and you just click on the trash can and you remove it, you can always click on the back arrow in the top left and find the recently deleted voice memos, and you can click on it and recover it, right? So you can just tap on recover and it's going to come back to the regular folder, right? So yes, you can do this. That is the most common way that it works, but you have to be kind of quick because if you stay within the recently deleted folder for a long time, then it's going to be actually deleted for good, so it's not going to be there endlessly waiting for you. And that is the first way. But other than that, a little bit of an indirect method would be to make sure that you have your voice memos synced to the iCloud. You can check it out in your settings by going to your profile and iCloud, and the apps here that you can see them. You can make sure that the voice memos are also turned on, and it makes sense because you want to just back it up to cloud as well. And if you just deleted the thing on your phone, it is possible that it is still synced on iCloud and perhaps it shows up in other devices as well, but it's not very practical, so it would make sense to recover it. It is the best idea to be fast and recover it from the recently deleted folder, because then it's probably gonna be gone for good. So that's how it works. I really hope that I can help you get your deleted voice memos back. Let me know about that below in the comments, but for now, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later.